All right. So, one cool thing about Japanese is that we don't have article A and the. So, we don't do, like, for example, a water bottle, the water bottle. We don't do it. That's why you might have noticed when I'm speaking English in general, I usually do it just fine. But when I'm teaching Japanese, articles kind of get out of my way because in my head I'm starting to think in Japanese so that I can teach you guys Japanese. But anyway, articles does not exist in Japanese. We don't do and the, for instance, right? But instead, sometimes when we want to be specific, like this apple, that bread, right? We still use kore, sore, are. It looks like are, but are, right? But instead, when we are adding the noun at the end to say this apple, that strawberry, broccoli over there, whatever the case may be, right? The kore, sore, are changes its shape. Okay, so kore becomes kono, kono. So if I want to say this tomato, it becomes kono tomato instead of kore tomato, right? For example, that apple becomes sono ringo, sono ringo instead of sore ringo. We would say sono ringo. And then that over there, if I want to say broccoli, that over there, broccoli, which sounds weird, that broccoli over there, we would say ano broccoli. Instead of are broccoli, we say ano broccoli. Okay? So here, it's giving you a little example. これは20円です. If I want to say this tomato is 20 yen, we would say このトマトは20円です. Okay? Practice examples. Let's see if you can read it. This tomato is 20 yen. You would say このトマトは20円です. Repeat after me. このトマトは20円です. Alright? That bread is 100 yen. Repeat after me. そのパンは100円です. そのパンは100円です. Okay? That broccoli over there is 45 yen. あのブロッコリーは45円です. Okay? Repeat after me. あのブロッコリーは45円です. Got it? Good job, guys.